Hey, if you are wondering if you can remove the Google search bar from the home screen on the Pixel 10 Pro, then the answer is short, yes and no. And what I mean, if you don't want to install some external applications from the Google Play Store, then unfortunately there's no way to get rid of it. When you click and hold it, go to the settings, you actually cannot manage this one. You can also try to search for it in the home settings, stuff like this. There is literally no way to get rid of it. But if you accept that external launchers, then you can go to the Google Play Store and input launcher phrase. There we go. There's actually a lot of launchers that you can download. And if you want to get a really close experience to the Google launcher, you will have to add that phrase, Pixel launcher, and go for the search. So this is the launcher that we are looking for. And now take a look. When I'm going to open it, as you can see, it looks almost the same. Take a look. When you go, let's open it one more time. When you go into the settings over here, home settings. So now you will have to go for dock and unselect that switcher. Now take a look. When you go back into the Pixel launcher, it's gone. It's not available anymore. And of course, you have to set this launcher as default. So you have to go to the settings, go to the apps, select default apps, go into home application, go to the settings, go into this icon and switch to the Pix launcher. Now, as you can see, it's gone. You can also try different launchers, as I said before, like for example, the O launcher, that looks definitely different. It's super simple launcher without some icons, stuff like this. It's super minimal launcher. And yeah, that's all the quick informative video for you.